generative AI has moved beyond the realm of being just a trendy term. It's here now, transforming our notions of creativity, innovation, and even the coding process. Today's AI can write code, offer enhancements, resolve bugs, and generate entire applications. It feels almost like magic. Naturally, a pressing question arises: will generative AI completely replace coders? Let's explore this idea further. How AI is changing development. Tools like GitHub Copilot and ChatGPT have rapidly advanced software development. Tasks that once required hours can now be achieved in mere minutes. Developers benefit from a relentless assistant available around the clock. Sounds fantastic, doesn't it? However, the reality is that coding in the real world isn't solely about speed. It requires solving intricate problems, understanding user needs, critical thinking, and preparing for the unexpected. The limits of AI doesn't possess human-like thinking capabilities. It relies on prediction from patterns but lacks comprehension of intentions, emotions, or context. Consider essential software such as self-driving technology. While AI contributes to optimization, human engineers are critical for ethical considerations, safety protocols, and regulatory adherence. Without human oversight, AI can err, potentially leading to disastrous outcomes. Look at healthcare applications as well. AI may recommend treatments based on analysis, but only a human doctor can assess subtleties, recognize rare conditions, and determine true patient welfare. It's similar in coding. While AI can aid, it isn't prepared to take on complete accountability. A pattern from history provides us a consistent pattern. New tools don't eliminate human jobs, they enhance them. The printing press didn't eliminate writers. Photography didn't terminate painting. Excel didn't displace accountants. Instead, these advancements empowered humans to pursue higher-level, more creative endeavors. How AI will empower coders. Generative AI is similarly revolutionizing software development. It automates monotonous coding tasks, enabling developers to focus on user experience, security, architecture, and innovation. The developer's role is expanding. It now involves more than just syntax and algorithms. Future developers will require creativity, critical thinking, empathy, and ethical principles. Indeed, posing the right questions will soon outweigh simply writing accurate code. Humans behind AI. Moreover, someone must create and oversee the AI systems themselves. Behind each advanced AI model is a collaborative effort from engineers, ethicists, data scientists, and designers ensuring effective and fair operation. If you're coding today, you're far from obsolete. Instead, you're becoming increasingly vital. However, the expectation is for you to advance, to think broader, act smarter, and collaborate with AI rather than compete against it. The real future of coding. The most successful coders will be those who adopt AI as an ally. They will utilize it to craft superior, faster, and smarter solutions. They will harness their human creativity to tackle problems AI hasn't grasped yet. The future is not about machines taking over humans. It focuses on machines augmenting human potential, enhancing what we can achieve. Imagine a scenario where coders dedicate less time to fixing syntax errors, and more on developing transformative applications. Creating software that enhances lives. Resolving challenges we haven't yet envisioned. That's the future we're shaping. And it requires your participation. Final thoughts. Therefore, do not fear the rise of AI. Prepare for it. Master how to leverage it. Advance your skills. And remain human, for that is your greatest asset. The future of coding is distinctly human. Fueled by AI. Guided by creativity, accountability, and vision. And guess what? This is merely the start. Call to action. If you found this video enlightening, please like, subscribe, and share it with fellow developers and tech enthusiasts. Your support enables us to continue producing empowering and inspiring content. What are your thoughts on AI and coding? Leave a comment below. Let's ignite a conversation about the future we're constructing together. Stay curious. Stay innovative. And continue coding the future. In summary, Generative AI is transforming the coding landscape, serving as a dynamic assistant that automates repetitive tasks and boosts developer creativity. Instead of replacing coders, AI empowers them to tackle more intricate and innovative challenges. Coding is evolving, emphasizing critical thinking, empathy, and ethical judgment. The future hinges on collaboration between people and AI, enabling developers to focus on impactful solutions. Embrace the changes, enhance your skills, and remember, the future of coding is human, powered by AI. Let's co-create this future.